YouTube thumbnails is very important in video marketing, and also it can gain a huge views for your YouTube videos. And in this tutorial I'll be showing how you can create a perfect YouTube thumbnails for your YouTube video using the Pixlr editor, and how to export this and use this. So don't let friends check out the video, and if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel, and if you already did so thank you so much. So to use Pixlr you need to open a browser first, and in the search bar you need to write the Pixlr Pixlr and then press enter, and it will search for Pixlr, and from here you can select the Pixlr editor to open the editor. When you click on the editor, it will automatically open your editor in your browser, and this is quite bit similar with the Photoshop. You can see the navigation bar and the layers and the history, and here is the tools like the Photoshop, and here is the other option like the image, open image, new image, and something like this. And all other options are here. There was certain brightness, everything is just like the Photoshop. And now to create a image, you can just open a image or insert or create a new image. I'm going to create a new image for my YouTube thumbnails, and here you need to write the width and height. So the official width is 100 1020 80, and here is 720. This is the official size for the thumbnails for YouTube. So just press enter, and I create my first image here. And if you want to color the background, you can just use the paint bucket or the gradient color. I will use the simple color, so I just going to use the color here. So I might be choose this color, the red one, and press OK, and I just click here, and you can see all my page is going okay for this color. Now I like to insert a image in on my this image. So what you need to do, you need to click on file and then click open image, and I want to choose this image for my thumbnails. I just click on here, and now you can see this image size is bigger than this, so I need to resize this image to fit inside of this. So I just click on image and then image size, and then I change the height of this image to 710, and then press OK. So my image is resized. Now I need to create a layer on this, because if I don't create new layer, then it will mix with this and I cannot move the image. So I just create a new layer, and on the new layer I will paste this. So I just press Ctrl A from the keyboard, and I select all of this image, and just Ctrl C to copy the image as same as when you use the Photoshop or something. And then I press Ctrl V to paste this image. Now I select the move tools from here, and I move the image which place I want to move. Okay, now my place, now this image is set correctly, and now I want to add some text on this. So I am going to select the text tool or type tool. You can select from here, and when you want to type, you just click here, and it will automatically start a text box, and you can type it on here. So I now type the title of what thumbnails I want to make. So I type here all the details. Now I resize, I change the color of the font, what font I want, press OK. And you can also change the font size from here, and if when you move, you can see the preview on of the font on the page. So I like to change the size first, so it show big, and I press enter here, and it will Now I change the font from here. Choose which font you like the most and which fits your project good. I choose this font. Now you can change the alignment also. From here you can see. So I use this. I make this more big, like maybe this is okay, or maybe a little more. No, not this. Okay, this is okay. So you can see my template is almost ready, and you can also add some more effects here, like if you want to uh, do some drawing or some shape or something other, you can also do here. And if you want to format the layer, you can also format this layer from here. You can just edit and the feed transform or pre-destroy and anything. You can also select the layer style to do other things, like you can inner glow or outer glow. I will make some drop shadow here, and you can see it will look more great when you can change the distance. This is actually fully customizable, and you can create a great tools using this. And if you want to the outer glow or something, you can make this like this, and it will look more perfect when you give these things. You can see the font is more clear, and this is more visible to the viewers. So I think this is okay, and now I press OK. Now I need to save the image. So to do this, you need to go to the files, and you need to click on save. When you click on save, you can see the quality and the name. I name the thumbnails. Pixlr, and then click on the format. I like to use the PNG format because this format is very high quality and also low in size and full quality. You can see here already written. So I use the PNG, and you can also see the size, what size it will. So I just press click OK, and you can see now where I want to save this. So I just use the desktop to save my image, and then I click save, and you can see the image has already been saved. Now I can show you from the desktop. You can see my image. You can see this is very fresh and clean looking, and you can also customize as many things as you want with this tool. And this is fully customizable. You can see you can do a lot of things with the Pixlr, and you just need to play with these tools and get familiar with it. It is very easy to customize. So this is all about this tutorials, and I hope you guys like the video. And if you like the video, please do subscribe to my channel and hit the like button if you like the video. So thank you so much. For next video, please press the bell icon and get notified.